4 Uyghur Muslims convicted in 2015 of terror-related offenses in Indonesia were deported to China, where more than 3 million Uyghurs incarcerated in concentration camps. Last month, after the Chinese government paid $6,812 fines imposed on them, two counter-terrorism experts told Benar News, an RFA-affiliated online news service, on Friday. These 4 Uyghur men found guilty of entering the country by using fake passports and for attempting to join the Islamic State-affiliated Eastern Indonesia Mujahideen militant group. President of East Turkestan Information Center, Ruqayya Turdush, demanded Indonesian government to immediately provide official statement regarding the truth of this news. Deporting Uyghurs where facing death and torture is great violation of international law. It is shameful action of Indonesian government, she said. According to AFP report, Chinese officials said 137 coronavirus infections were discovered in the city of Kashgar in East Turkestan. 4.5 million Kashgar residents were tested last Sunday. A 17-year-old girl, identified as a worker in a garment factory, tested positive for the virus. Many Uyghurs suspect that she is a Uyghur who works in a forced labor camp since she was identified as garment worker. Many Uyghurs are worrying that China may exterminate Uyghurs in concentration camps by spreading the virus.
This makes you think, what is a 17-year-old doing in a garment factory? She should be at school during this time of the year, but she is a garment worker. And this means that she is part of the government's forced labor regime, where millions of Uyghurs are being sent in forced labor camps and are being slaved away for China's profit. And we know through testimonies and other evidence that these camps have horrible working conditions, and I doubt that during the pandemic that they have the right safety measures such as double-layered masks, social distancing, non-crowded rooms, etc. So this girl, she's been tested positive with the virus and has likely spread it to the other people who are in these forced labor camps. And this is very bad because this is how, the virus could be spread throughout the camps and throughout both concentration camps and forced labor camps, and there is no stopping it. There is no way because there are no safety measures. And this situation could be one of the Chinese government's method of the ongoing genocide of the Uyghurs. And we are, using the products that are made by these, we could say, slaves, and wearing the clothes, and we don't even know that.
China had bought about 71% of the target, or over $23 billion set under the trade deal in U.S. agricultural goods to date, according to a joint statement by the U.S. Trade Representative's Office and the U.S. Department of Agriculture. Outstanding sales of U.S. corn to China were at an all-time high of 8.7 million tons, while U.S. soybean sales for the marketing year 2021 to China were at double the levels seen in 2017, according to the report. U.S. military surveillance planes flew off China's coast 60 times in September, more than in July or August, according to Chinese state-backed research organization South China Sea Strategic Situation Probing Initiative's website. It was increased after the State Secretary Pompeo's announcement of most of the China's claims in South China Sea are unlawful. According to the U.S. military report, the U.S. Navy littoral combat ship Gabriel Giffords deployed recently from San Diego, California, packing the service's new naval strike missile, transforming the LCS from an underground concept ship gone awry to a legitimate threat to Chinese warships at significant ranges.